Hi everyone! Did you know that your dog doesn't just see you as their owner, but as their mom? Today, we're diving into 10 surprising signs that show your dog loves you, like they love their mom. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and share this video with your friends to explore together. The first sign, your dog follows you everywhere. Just like a puppy sticking close to its mom, they want to be near you, whether you're cooking or taking a shower. This is how they feel safe and connected. When there's thunder or fireworks, does your dog rush to your side? That's the second sign. They seek comfort from you, just like a puppy runs to its mom when scared. You're their safe haven. Do you yawn and your dog yawns too? That's the third sign. Your dog mimics you because they feel a special bond, just like a puppy copying its mom. Isn't that adorable? The fourth sign, your dog loves sleeping right next to you, maybe even hogging the bed. They do this to feel warmth and safety, just like when they were little, snuggling with their mom. Who can resist that? The fifth sign, those gentle, lingering looks from your dog. It's not just a glance, it's love. They look at you the way a puppy looks at its mom, full of trust and affection. Does your dog bring you a toy or even a bone? That's the sixth sign. They want to share their treasures with you, just like a puppy bringing things to its mom. What a special gift! The seventh sign, those loving face licks. Your dog licks you to show affection and dependence, just like a puppy licks its mom. It might be a bit wet, but it's pure love. When you pet your dog, do they relax instantly? That's the eighth sign. Your affection makes them feel safe, like being cared for by their mom. These moments are truly precious. The ninth sign, your dog goes wild with excitement when you come home. They're overjoyed, like a puppy seeing its mom after a long day. Is there anyone who makes you happier? And the final sign, your dog protects you. They bark or stand in front of you when they sense danger, just like a puppy defending its mom. You're not just their mom, you're their whole world. And there you have it. 10 signs your dog sees you as their mom. Isn't this bond so special? Share your dog's story with us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fun pet insights.